AGK Prince here, and in this video I want to show you the best way you can make money online in 2023. It is much more easier to make money today even without leaving the comfort of your house. The only person who has a smartphone, who has access to the internet but is broke, is someone who is not ready to take control of his financial future. So in this video, I want to show you the best way you can make money online. The best way you can make money online in 2023 is by learning a skill and looking for ways you can sell that skill to make profit from that skill. When I go online, I see a lot of persons advertising their products, telling you to come and learn how to make money in 60 days, how to double your income. You give them $10, in 3 days they will multiply it to $50. Most of these guys that tells you or brings up these investment schemes are scammers. If you follow them, you put in your money will get lost. It will disappear into thin air. So I don't want you to go about searching for ways you can make money that are not guaranteed, that does not have a solid foundation. If you really want to make money online, forget about whatever they are telling you. Forget about whatever you have learned or the experience you have gotten here online. The best important advice I will give to you is to go and find something you can learn. Go and learn a skill, a digital skill, not just any skill. You want to make money online, go and learn a digital skill. A skill you can work on with your smartphone or your computer and make money even while you are on your bed. There are lots of skills you can learn in case of you don't know which one to learn. The issue now is that the skill I may love, it may not be the skill that you may love to do. For instance, there are highly in demand skills like copywriting, content creating, I guess they're both the same thing. Copywriting, professional video editing, graphic design, SEO, is search engine optimization, animation, and skills, other skills like that. If you learn and acquire the knowledge of the skills and learn how you can monetize them on social media, you'll be making over $100 in a week. So stop running around looking for cheap ways to make money online. If you have what it takes, go and learn something. Learn something. You must not necessarily learn the skills I've just mentioned. Maybe you are a baker. Why not look for ways you can improve your services and offer it online? Yes. What if you are a fashion designer? How can you bring your services offline to the online world and make profit? These are skills you have or your natural talent that could solve problems for others. Instead of running around, go and get a skill. If you get a skill, become the go-to person, make that skill a business, you will never lack money online.